Good evening, everyone. This is Deanna Colici from the Italian Culture Society, and tonight we're going to make focaccia. Focaccia is a traditional flatbread made in Italy and very delicious and easy to make. So you first start with 2 cups of water. You want them between 110 and 120 degrees. You can heat them in the microwave for about a minute to 2. And this is at 114 degrees, so it's just perfect. And I go ahead and I put it in a mixer. Then you add a tablespoon of either honey or sugar. I prefer the flavor of sugar, but honey is more traditional, to the water. And that helps feed the yeast and adds a little bit of flavor. Go ahead and add that right here. Lower the mixer and just blend it for a few seconds to get the sugar or honey mixed into the water. Next, I add 2 packages of a 1/4 ounce yeast. This is a rather large recipe, and I like the rising I get from 2 packages. So I just go ahead and pour that on top of the water and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and foamy. Well, at this point, we go ahead and start adding our flour. Okay, I now take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, add it to the mixer, and mix this. Go ahead and add a 2nd cup of flour, and now we will add 1½ teaspoons of salt. Adding the flour 1 cup at a time, mixing completely in between each addition. Mix completely. Go ahead and add 2 more cups, 1 cup at a time, and mix between each addition. Mix. After you have 5 cups of flour is mixed in, then go ahead and start adding the flour, the last cup, in 1/4 cup increments until you have a nice dough that holds together and is not too sticky but not too dry. So just add a little bit at a time until you've got the right consistency. Okay, I've added about another ½ cup, and that's where I think I'm going to keep it. As you can tell, the dough is nice and it's not sticking too much on my hands, and yet it still feels light and all mixed well together. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to take a bowl, and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to coat the bowl, and I'm going to put my dough right in here. And I put it in the bowl and I roll it over to make sure that there's a nice coating of olive oil on everything. And I will go ahead and cover the towel and put it in a warm area in the house. The sun is shining through, and I'll let it sit there till it doubles in size about an hour. It's been about an hour, and I went ahead and there we go. It's doubled in size. I'm going to work this down again. It's a very nice texture. And I'm going to take a pan and I'm going to start laying out my dough. Okay, we will apply now a nice thin coating of olive oil on the bottom of the pan. You place your dough, and you could do lots of things. You can either roll it out or this and that. I just find myself stretching it out to get a nice flat, even surface about a ½ inch thick. Okay, and when you've got it all spread out and a nice fine oil on your hand, just rub your hands with a little olive oil, also helps this process. And if you find that it's springing back too much, give it a little extra time and then go back to it as a fine coat of oil on it. Go ahead and cover it again and put it in a nice warm spot. Okay, this has been about 40 minutes. I've let it raise again, and there you go. Okay, at this point we're almost finished, and at this point it also depends on what you like on your focaccia. Today I'm going to add a little rosemary, a little salt, and olive oil. You can add dry herbs or basically anything that you desire. So I would go ahead and give it a try and then start experimenting. So we go ahead first and we poke some holes into it. And all I'm doing is doing that. And we nice holes going. We do that to make little pools for the olive oil. Now at this point, you take your 1/4 of a cup of olive oil and spread it over the surface of the focaccia. If you don't have a pastry brush, you can go ahead and use rosemary. Makes an amazing pastry brush. When you're all finished, it should look like this. And at this point, I'm going to add a little fresh rosemary on the top for some flavor. I do like rosemary. And I'm also going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of coarse sea salt to add that lovely little salty flavor on the top. Go ahead and put it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the rack is in the middle position. At 20 minutes check, it should be light brown on the bottom and top. You can always add a few more minutes if it's not quite ready. After 20 minutes, I took a look and it was still a little light, so I turned my pan around and gave it another 10 minutes. And here we go. The focaccia is finished. So, now you just let it cool down and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video and all our videos that we've been sharing with you. We thank you for inviting us into your home, and we hope to see you soon at the Italian Culture Society. Many exciting projects coming up. One is Little Italy, and the other is the Bocce Ball courts that are opening up. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and post it on Facebook. And when you get a chance, give a couple thumbs up. From our house to yours, buonanotte.